going on, everybody? Old school Rockford Fosgate here. Got a box to open up. Saw this on eBay and decided to take a chance and pick it up. This particular unit is the 200.2, I think. I don't even remember anymore. Basically, I bought this. Excuse me. Bought this, and it took a while for this thing to come in. Let's see the pack job here. So, some foam, some bubble wrap, and a whole bunch of paint flaking off of the amplifier. Let me put this back in here real quick. So there's the paint. And put this down. Didn't even bother to clean it. Holy cow. So, Rockford Fosgate 200.2. That would be why the paint. Look at that. Wow. Okay. Well, 200.2. I paid $50 for this amplifier, shipped off of eBay. And supposedly, look at all this junk. Supposedly it works, but there's noise in one of the channels. So what I'm thinking about doing is, excuse me, I got a frog in my throat or something today. I'm going to hook it up and test it and see what's going on with it. And then I'm going to have probably somebody take a look at it. And while they have it apart, I'm going to see if they can maybe clean up the case a little bit. Otherwise, I'll take it apart. I'll send it out. Or I'll media blast the heatsink and then send out the amplifier itself, or do something. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. So, but for $50, I figured it was worth it. You know, looks aren't everything as long as functionality is okay on it. So, anyway, that's it. Quick video. Later.